Hiya, my name is Dyfed Jones-Owen and I'm the owner of Trex Bunkhouse here in the Snowdonia National Park in Ffestiniog, North Wales. Based above the village of Ffestiniog, only a 5-minute walk into the village. We are in the Snowdonia National Park and we are very close to most that North Wales has to offer, from walking, biking, if you fancy some adventures like Zip World, Bounce Below, or maybe some kayaking. I would say the biggest challenge as of yet was the actual development of the building, through building regs and all that comes with it, from the conversion from the former golf club through to what we have now, the bunkhouse, has been the biggest challenge really. I would say the greatest achievement for me so far for this has been 10 years in the planning for me, waiting for the right building to come up in the right location, the right size building, and now hopefully I've hit the target with this one. I would say my market advice would be just know the market you are targeting, do your research properly, knowing the amount of people that come into the area and the requirements for this type of accommodation. I've also got your own website. I've put myself on Visit Wales, North Wales Tourism, a few other independent cycling magazines and all that. I did receive a small grant through the Tourist Information Support Scheme. Having been opened a few months, I wouldn't say I'm an expert on any business advice, but what I would say is that you have to take on board what customers are telling you, and not take it too personally either. What I would say is, running this type of accommodation, you have to be a pretty sociable character. Do your research. I would say know your market and get enough quotes off builders.